In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Elementor, a popular page builder plugin for WordPress. If you've been looking to enhance your web page layouts with clear, structured content, adding a table might be just what you need. So let's dive right into the steps and guide you through the process seamlessly. To begin, we first need to open your page with Elementor. If you're not familiar with this, it's quite straightforward. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, go to Pages or Posts, depending on where you'd like your table to be placed. Find the page or post you wish to edit, and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor editor, which is the space where you can design and customize your website layout. It's a powerful tool with a range of features, enabling you to design a professional-looking site without ever touching a line of code. With your page open in Elementor, the next step is to find the HTML widget. This is a key element to our table creation process. On the left sidebar of Elementor, you'll see a list of widgets. These are essentially blocks that you can drag and drop to build your page. In the search bar at the top of the widget panel, type HTML. You'll see the HTML widget appear. Click and hold the widget, and then drag it onto the section of the page where you want your table to appear. You can place it anywhere you see fit. Just release your click once you have it in the desired location. Now, the final part of our journey involves adding the actual table code. In the HTML widget, you'll see a large text area where you can enter your custom code. This is where you'll paste your HTML code to create a table. If you already have the HTML code for your table ready, simply copy and paste it into this section. If you're unsure about crafting an HTML table, there are many resources available where you can quickly generate the code online by simply entering your data. Remember, basic understanding of HTML will certainly be beneficial, but it's not absolutely necessary for this exercise. After you've entered your HTML code, you should see the table instantly appear on your page section that you targeted with the HTML widget. It's crucial to visualize your table while still in the Elementor editor to ensure everything looks correct and that it fits well with your page's overall design. Make any necessary adjustments to your table as needed. Finally, don't forget to click the Save or Publish button at the bottom of your Elementor panel to ensure your changes go live on your website. This completes our process. Congratulations! You've just added a functional table to your website using Elementor. As always, thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy designing, and see you next time.